Hey, little young man, what are you doing there? Are you feeling guilty what you did to me? Huh? You did. You say sorry to me. Come on. Say sorry. Now you're in the corner, huh? You're feeling guilty. You're making paawa. But you hurt me, you know? You're so cute. You know that, Leo? You are very, very cute. Say hi. Say good morning. Come on. I know that you are in the corner of this cabinet because the food of yours are inside. So you are waiting to feed you, huh? I will not give you now. Later. You're hungry food, huh? You're a hungry. I give you already bread and you eat it. I know. You're not hungry. Just say sorry to me. Come on, baby. Love you. He wanna talk but he don't like. Look at the tail. Come on. You're feeling guilty, huh? My gosh. Alas. Bye. See you later. You don't like to say sorry to me.